behind the gates of the world's most exclusive estates lies a hidden truth. Earning $1 billion is only half the battle. The real challenge is keeping it. For the ultra-wealthy, protection is a sophisticated game of legal mastery and strategic foresight. Welcome to the inner circle of high-level wealth management, where the 1% utilize tools that most people have never even heard of. It begins with the concept of the family trust. This isn't just a bank account. It is a powerful legal shield for assets. By moving assets into a trust, billionaires technically own nothing, yet they control everything. This separation protects them from lawsuits and creditors. Next, they look beyond borders. Wealth is global, and the ultra-rich treat the entire planet as their financial playground. Jurisdictions like the Cayman Islands or Switzerland offer layers of privacy and tax efficiency that are essential for long-term wealth preservation. But cash and stocks are only part of the story. Diversification into hard assets is the key to surviving economic volatility. They invest in blue-chip art, vintage watches, and rare collectibles. These items often appreciate in value while remaining outside the traditional banking system. Privacy is the ultimate luxury for a billionaire. Being invisible is often more valuable than being famous. Digital security is paramount. Their data is stored in high-tech, fortified server rooms, protected by the world's best cybersecurity experts. Behind every great fortune is a team of elite advisors, lawyers, accountants, and wealth managers who work around the clock. Ultimately, wealth protection is about freedom, the freedom to live on your own terms, secure in the knowledge that your legacy is safe. Understanding these strategies is the first step toward building your own financial fortress. Subscribe to discover more secrets of the world's elite.